So how do you make money with GrooveFunnels? Groove.cm allows you to make money with a variety of businesses. First and foremost, you can leverage the tools accessible in Groove.cm to build your business. If you don't even have a business yet, you can participate in our affiliate program and make money just by promoting Groove. Plus, we have a lot of free online training to help you learn new ways to make money online. Just take a look at some of the tools we have. With GroovePages, you can build websites for yourself, your products, your services, or for your clients as an agency or a freelancer. Using GrooveCart, you can create your own e-commerce store, start your way in a dropshipping business, or using print-on-demand services. Let's say you've got an idea for an online course. You can build your own membership site with GrooveMember. With GrooveMail, you can start email marketing to promote whatever product you want. And you can use Groove Affiliate to recruit your own army of affiliates to promote that product for you. Plus, there's Groove Blog, Groove Video, Groove Webinar, and much more coming soon to help you promote your sites, stores, courses, and more. Check it all out at groove.cm.